Everyone, my name is Nutrition Shruti. My brand is Healthy Creative Shruti. Today's topic I'll be speaking about cough congestion for those people who are suffering on a daily basis. First, stay water hydrated to drink warm water on a regular basis to get a proper sleep so your chest cough congestion should reduce on a daily basis. Do steam inhalation till your cough congestion reduces. 4. Gargling salt water will help you. All your congestion should reduce on a daily basis. Gargling with salt water can be thrice a day on a daily basis. Stay healthy. Eat a healthy food on a daily basis. Avoid oily food to reduce the cough condition. You should avoid